Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make grape sorbet without a blender. You might think a blender is essential for sorbet, but I'm here to show you a simple, old-fashioned technique. This method is perfect for anyone who loves a refreshing dessert but doesn't own a fancy appliance. We'll transform fresh grapes into a delightful, icy treat with just a few basic steps and a little patience. Get ready for a surprisingly easy and incredibly tasty experience. First, let's prepare our grape base. You'll want about 2 pounds of your favorite grapes, thoroughly washed and destemmed. Next, gently mash them in a bowl to release all their wonderful juice and pulp. You can use a potato masher or even your hands. Then, combine this grape liquid with a simple syrup, made from equal parts sugar and water, heated until dissolved. This ensures a perfectly sweet and smooth foundation for your sorbet. Now for the magic. Pour your grape mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe dish, like a 9 by 13-inch pan. Place it in the freezer for about 1 hour or until the edges start to firm up. Then, using a sturdy fork, scrape the frozen parts from the edges towards the center. Return it to the freezer and repeat this scraping process every 30 to 45 minutes for about 3 to 4 hours. This creates those lovely, icy crystals. Keep scraping until your sorbet transforms into a beautiful, fluffy, icy consistency. It should be light and easily scoopable, not a solid block. This usually takes about 3 to 4 hours of consistent scraping. Once it reaches that perfect texture, it's ready to enjoy. Serve your homemade grape sorbet immediately for the most refreshing experience. A small scoop offers a burst of natural grape flavor, a truly delightful treat made entirely without a blender.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.